When you're doing these kind of journeys, the day of the week and the time of the day isn't really important. But what is really important is how much sunlight you have left. You know, if you're camping, wild camping in forests and things like that, it's really, really important. And there's a very, very simple method to check this. What you do, you go 4 fingers. Fully stretch your arm and put your hand out to the horizon where the sun's going to go down. Every 4 fingers represents 1 hour. So what you do is you count it per hand. You go 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. 12 fingers is 3 hours. And that tells me then that I've got 3 hours of sunlight left. And when you learn the time of sundown in a country, you can actually learn to tell the time from the sun. Interesting, huh?